Bitch, there you alone a praise blood clot him. Take your tongue out of bro God batty hole and come out with blood clot face. Bitch, cause now we never blood clot call it to the forefront. Boy, you run down blood clot merit for Jamaica. Go and go run down a girl. Because for your baby motherfucker you wanna see you back with none. You look a blood clot fish you. He drunk you know tap suck with dirty thinking gear gas. He chief batty boy. You know see your batty hole tender right now thinking batty blood clot fish. Move your bumbo clot and go drive a blood clot tongue in your mama hole and go suck your mother. I don't know where you always come with this thing yeah. Boy, if you want drink bro God shit water and you say blood clot there. Cause this is a cesspool of blood clot. You cannot fuck him right here in front of we cause we no watch batty fucking. Move your thinking dirty blood clot and go suck out your mother. Your bumbo clot drunk you pussy hole. Who this
Dancehall is shaking against it, and this time it's Prettii Don versus Mr. Vegas. But the reason behind this blow-up runs deeper than one video. So here's what really triggered it. While Jamaica is recovering from Hurricane Melissa, people online have been expressing frustration about leadership, the slow response, everything happening on the island.
Bitch! Nasty, dirty, stinking blood clot, nasty blood clot, gear gas, make I tell you. My generation never did a blood clot suck cock. Yet when that come up, pussy you not relevant. You say this a blood clot generation where you not DJ for? Bumbo hole, we not use your pussy. You get what me I deal with? Dog shit, batty boy. So good waste man. Big hole bitch. Nasty, so good girl, we not use you. Go and go blood clot, hot fuck pan blood god cocky and go suck out your mother. We are go bumbo clot, so we want to say big pussy bro god work for Jamaica. So when Jamaica have a problem with that stink, have a problem with that stink. Oh, nasty, so good Vegas, who you? Vegas, batty boy, who you? He blood clot tap but never bumbo clot open. Man a pedal in your hole like tricycle. Nasty batty man, who you? Stink batty boy, who you? Suckud boy, who you? Nasty Gigas, who you? What kind of sportsman you turn for blood clot Jamaica? He think batty boy, who blood clot send for your boy? Where you not go clean out your blood clot room full of beer pussy clot doo-doo? Pussy, stop do that. Nobody now use your dirty batty boy. Nobody at all now use you. Nasty Gigas. Nobody now use your drunk. So every time me see you come out with your little blood clot shine mouth, I come go on lip glass batty man. Me have to wonder you who. Pussy, you know see how the country around batty man. No foreign you there suck blood clot cock. What bumbo clot Jamaica have to do with your thinking dirty black bumbo clot waste man. Drunk somebody a blood clot use you. When you hear the citizens of Jamaica say what them have to say, make them blood clot say it every minute you look blood clot viral moment. Your artist or your blood clot vlogger suck with Gigas. Lick out batty blood clot Gigas. Your blood clot who? Nasty suck with Gigas, ya who? Gigas batty boy, who you be? Your blood clot somebody go wipe off your blood clot mouth with the whole heap of cock stain, them a blood clot stain it. And move your nasty blood clot from here, so drunk or batty boy. Who you man? Come off a blood clot internet. Make the people and talk about the blood clot leadership who go on a yard because boy not lead. You know, sister, one waste money people and put in the blood clot house. So you mean the people and can talk out of them mouth dirty blood clot fish? He's so good boy. Oh, you mean the people and can
Vegas stepped in with his usual strong opinions, basically telling Jamaicans to stop talking certain things and behave a certain way during the crisis. Prettii Don wasn't having it. Her response wasn't just anger, it was frustration with what she sees as Vegas constantly trying to speak for Jamaicans, acting like a moral police, and chasing relevance by inserting himself into every conversation. This feud is part of a bigger issue in dancehall: authority, authenticity, and who really represents the voice of the people. What do you think? Is Vegas out of line? Or is Prettii Don just calling out what everybody else has been thinking? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more SonicSnap breakdowns.
thinking batty boy go suck out your mother and go from blood clot, yes sir. Nobody a bumbo clot use you. Nasty pussy clot fish. Nobody see you. He thinking batty boy. When you no go hot fuck for one blood clot stay edge eye. Nobody a blood clot book you fi go nowhere. Thinking dirty bumbuckler batty boy. He last bookings we see upon. I went time the blood clot dirty broker did have conference. Nasty Gigas go suck out your mother and go look at it song. Thinking make we see what you been up to lately. Show you how you fall off. Drunk crow. What film channel? See it over here, so.
Estrena teléfono nuevo gratis cada año por los próximos
Mr.
3
Vegas
años.
TV.
Garantiza.
I don't care about that. Where you drop lately? 2 months ago, 2,000 views. Yeah, somebody? Your blood class, somebody? Blood clot mouth with your fall off, dirty stinking self. Go and go get a machete. Go and go get a power song, go help clear the blood clot road them at Jamaica. Where the blood clot you go? Hot fuck done. Head side done. Your career blood clot done. Go get a machete and clean the blood clot road. Go and go clean out some of the drainage them down a blood clot Sentient and a Clarendon. Thinking dirty waste man. Go and go help clean up down a blood clot Holland Bamboo drunk crow. Thinking dirty fuck pussy. Let me tell you this drunk crow. Every time you come here with your fuckery, me if you wonder if you are one kind of waste man are you. Who the fuck you big Gigas? Who you? Thanks to the gift bestie. Love you my bestie. Who the fuck be you? Who give you not touch for carry for blood clot Jamaica? Nobody na blood clot use you. You're not even in a top 10 of all blood clot time. You is a nobody in a blood clot dancehall or bumbo clot reggae. Nobody na use suck with blood clot you. Fuck batty blood clot you. You are the only batty man them know in a bumbo clot dancehall. You come with the little stinking blood clot non-progressive irrelevant blood clot self every day you have blood clot bro God hood in your mouth. You like that my boss? Come in on my mouth my boss. See that? Come on my tongue bro God. Bro God come on my tongue bro God. Bro God come on. Let me tell you my body hole. Fuck up. See my body hole. Take it every blood clot minute. You're there with your blood clot John Jamouth. With your deep stinking dirty faggot body hole where you have a try lower the blood clot prime minister if you come fucking at your big hole. Lock your so good mouth. Lock your deep body hole. Nobody now bumbo clot use your thinking gear gas. Deep hole gear gas. So good nasty blood clot. Your throat have infection here gas. Move your blood clot and go from yourself. And come out of a blood clot closet. I closet if you come out with your little suck self. Your blood clot waste man. Move man. I'm gonna suck your mother. I don't know, I think I need a girl. I need a woman. God. Look on your hose at night to me a cuss. I often need a blood clot, girl. Me I come out of celibacy. This is my back dating again. Me start date again. What the fuck? So I'm gonna cut the phone because I see my clothes and dried, you know. God damn it. Shit. I need a blood clot, girl. I can't just get up a cuss so. Blood clot. One of the girl can't come and take control of blood clot. I go like some pussy me want, you know. Long time I get like a pussy man. Come in the a cuss dirty blood clot gear cause I couldn't fuck body like you ladies I need some pussy. You look at me need a woman cause me celibate too long now and me there whole out. I need a you see I go be my girlfriend. No say nothing me fuck you the same day, alright? Because watch you know, my I'll ride me. That don't mean me not love you, you know, you understand me I did? But I go penetrate your vagina and suck your breast them and finger you and yeah, mama have nice fingers and fingernail, mama. My finger them clean and them thing there. You see me I say? Yeah, baby. I'm gonna finger you and suck your breast them and just whine in your pussy. Me just want whine in your pussy and watch you just wet up my bed. I want to do so. Me I do some things, yeah. Me just baby more yeah. More my ride me. I love blood clot. I need a fat wet pussy blood clot. You know what I say? So I say I want. Need a nice like a fat pussy girl. Last time I get some pussy, I kill it. I swear. I'm going to demolish a girl. I don't know. Me just have to stop because of some blood clot pussy war. We need, yeah, well, I like that with a bus at Joe's one. We have to get up and run 12 miles tomorrow then. Bumbo clot. While I ride me, my baby, them, I swear to God, more coming on. While I ride me, I fuck. I forgot buck my fish center, me done, I swear to God. But me really want to come in a one, me not lie. Yes, I want to come in a one. Who can lend me like a pussy so till we figure out how we are do? Hey baby, who can lend me like a pussy so till we figure out what we are going to do or what we are going to do? Yeah, what we are do. You see me I say? Yes. You want to lend me like a pussy till we figure out what we are going to do. We can't do that, you know? Yeah. So I want to say, no takers. And lend me, you know. We had a baby mama, me I tell her so I say, I'm more borrow like a pussy, like, yeah, you see me? Let me show you how you borrow and I go. Y'all give me some pussy and we are going to figure out what we are do. So we are going to do. You see me? I live a Fort Lauderdale. What I go dog? Me there I try to borrow like a pum pum. While I ride me. Long time I no fuck but one good